Hello and welcome to Ultra Care Pro YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about Ultra Care Pro products, its services and its usage. In today's video, I would be demonstrating you some of the exercises which would be helpful for you to get rid of the leg pain that you experience due to sciatica. Sciatica, even though is a back related problem, also leads to leg pain related symptoms. Sometimes it's not just pain, but it could be tingling numbness and weakness in leg as well. That's why doing a complete rehabilitation is the key to get better and faster recovery. So, without wasting any due time, let's have a look at some of the exercises which would be helpful for you to get rid of sciatic pain symptoms. Let's begin. Whenever there is a leg pain that is due to sciatica, the first thing that you should do is to lie down on your tummy by placing 2 pillows underneath your chest. Once you are able to be in this position, then wait in this position till the time the leg pain or else the leg symptoms move up towards your lower back region. If your symptoms are moving up towards your lower back, that is a good sign and that shows that the pressure from nerve is being relieved. Try to maintain this position as long as you observe that the symptoms are moving up towards the center. Initially, when the symptoms are acute, you might need to practice this position 2 to 3 times in a day. Once you have practiced this prone lying position, the next exercise that you are going to do is called as prone extension exercise. In this, you will extend your spine up till you are comfortable with, and you will do this for 10 repetitions. This exercise again should gradually relieve the symptoms from your leg, and initially you might need to do this exercise for 3 to 4 times in a day. Along with these 2 position and exercise, the next exercise that you need to regularly practice is called as piriformis stretch exercise. Piriformis is a muscle where the sciatic nerve easily gets entrapped. For this, you need to do piriformis stretching regularly so that there is no entrapment of the nerve. The ideal count of exercise is 3 to 5 repetitions. After piriformis stretch, the next exercise that you need to do is called a sciatic nerve floss. Here, you need to lie down and then bend your knee and head at the same time. Do this for 5 repetitions. Initially do it on bed. Later on, you can practice the same exercise in sitting position. And the last exercise that you need to do is in spinal twist. In this exercise, you need to twist your spine towards the affected side. Make sure not to do more repetitions here. You can start with 2 repetitions initially, and gradually as your symptoms relieves, then only you can move on to 5 repetitions. So friends, this is how you do exercises for sciatic pain relief. I hope you found this exercises helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to Ultra Care Pro YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.